Welcome to dptutorials. In this video, let us learn about the column chart. Purpose is to compare values between different groups or to track changes over time. We have the sample data range which we will use for creating the column chart now. Select the range from B8 to N10. Go to Insert. In the column charts, select the 2D clustered column chart. And then apply the formatting styles to make it appealing like this. So this would be the final output of the column chart, and here are some of the sample styles of the column charts which you may like to try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.